President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has on several occasions made known of plans by his government to make Ghana a vaccine manufacturing hub. In view of this, several stakeholders in the health sector have been doing all they can to make sure that this dream of the president becomes a reality. So today here at Media in the Gan West municipality of the Greater Accra region, a groundbreaking ceremony was held for the construction of the first phase of a 120 million vaccine manufacturing factory here in Ghana. This project was birthed by DEK Vaccines Limited, who are responsible for the marketing of the newly approved R21 vaccine in Ghana. Members of diplomatic corps, ministers of state, members of parliament, chiefs and queens, as well as residents of Media in the Gan West municipality of the Greater Accra region, all gathered to witness the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the first ever vaccine manufacturing factory in Ghana. The construction process is expected to be completed in 2024 and commissioned in 2025. In his welcome address, Managing Director for DEK Vaccines Limited, Dr. Kofi Nsiapoku, said the project will create employment for over 250 Ghanaians who will be engaged as full-time employees while serving as a significant step towards securing the health of Ghanaians and Africans as whole through locally manufactured vaccines that meet global quality standards.
This groundbreaking is a much-awaited event for the largest single manufacturing factory of vaccines in Africa that will make impact and affect lives positively. On this happy occasion, I sign off by assuring my fellow Ghanaians that the Ghana government, European Union, and DEK Vaccines are proud to announce that we are committed to complete this project by the end of 2024 to ensure the production of the first commercial vaccine in 2025.
The guest of honor for the ceremony, President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, reiterated his commitment to ensuring that Ghana becomes self-sufficient in vaccine production and manufacturing to meet future needs for health security.
We're venturing into vaccine development and manufacturing with our sister African countries of Rwanda and Senegal. And together, we're determined to become vaccine manufacturing hubs in sub-Saharan Africa. We want to achieve self-sufficiency in vaccine production to meet future national, regional, and continental needs for health security. We shall not then in the future be at the mercy of foreign vaccine nationalism and geopolitics.
Ambassador of the European Union delegation to Ghana, Ishad Razali, said the support of the European Union for this project is fulfillment of its promise to support Ghana in its journey in transforming into a Pan-African vaccine manufacturing hub.
Today is the day when the European Union sticks to its promise to support Ghana in its journey and transformation into a Pan-African vaccine manufacturing hub. Today is yet another critical day and milestone on an already fruitful EU-Ghana partnership. As you all know, Africa imports 99% of its vaccines and 94% of its medicines, and this has to change.
Member of Parliament for Amasaman constituency, Akwesi Owusu-Efrefa Mensah, on his part, expressed gratitude towards DEK Vaccines Limited for choosing his constituency as the location for the factory. The MP is hopeful that Amasaman would be open to the business community after the completion of the project.
My constituency, Amasaman constituency, is blessed to have the first ever vaccine manufacturing company in Ghana to be set up here in Amasaman constituency, and second in West Africa. The one in our municipality is very unique in the sense that I am told they are going to manufacture all kinds of vaccines whilst the one in Senegal manufactures only yellow fever vaccine. We are very grateful to Dr. Kofi Nsiapoku for coming to our constituency to do this great work here. I am very happy today because this company will open up my constituency to the business world. It will create job opportunities to my constituencies, and we cannot be less joyous and grateful.
So those were highlights of events that took place here at Media in the Ganwes municipality during the groundbreaking ceremony of a vaccine manufacturing company. Reporting for MX24 News, Joshua Tay.